Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with a planner video. This week I'm going to be doing a Harry Potter theme. I have chosen Ravenclaw. So I signed up on Pottermore and they sorted me into Ravenclaw. So if you check my previous planner video, you can see that I made it from scratch, just like this one. The only difference is that the previous theme was done in a horizontal way, while this one is a vertical one. The reason is because I just wanted to make it look like the happy planner. I don't have a happy planner, so I tried to make my own. So I did make my own stickers, but at the same time, I also got some cutouts that I think will suit the Ravenclaw theme. So keep watching to see how I put them all together to create a Ravenclaw themed planner layout. I have actually drawn and colored some of them. So I made my own stickers. This is an envelope of the Harry Potter acceptance letter. This is a potion. This is a stack of books. This is Luna Lovegood's glasses. This is a quill. I just colored it in blue because, well, blue is the color of Ravenclaw. This is another portion that I drew, but I chose not to include it because I didn't really like how it turned out, and I already have a portion here anyway, so I didn't want that. This is a butterbeer. And then this is a chocolate frog. It's a box of chocolate frogs. This is Luna Lovegood's necklace, the butterbeer cork necklace. This is the badge of Ravenclaw with the mascot. I chose to follow the colors of the book, which is why I chose this bronze and blue with an eagle. And the mascot is a raven in the movie, but I chose an eagle like the book. And This is a box of every flavor beans, and then these this is just a little scrap paper that I made on my own with a chevron pattern. This is a check pattern. The colors of Ravenclaw. This is a Ravenclaw banner. I used a silver marker. This one, Sharpie marker to make it. Well, I will actually include the links to the videos on how I made each of these. You can check the links under the description section of this video. Now this is a washi tape that I made on my own. Okay, I used the masking tape or the painter's tape, whatever you want to call it. I just used a Sharpie marker and a normal permanent marker to make this. I'll include the link on how I made this washi tape as well. So now I'm just going to hand cut all of my stickers and I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, so I'm back with all the stickers. I've cleaned up a little bit and now I'm going to arrange them and see first, and if I like my arrangement then I'll go ahead and glue them up. Okay, so I have my washi ready. This is the washi that I made on my own, and I have everything ready here, and there are some extra. This one, I got this from a magazine. I thought it really matches Ravenclaw, the Ravenclaw theme, so I got that. And then this is the closest thing that I found, the closest thing to a diadem that I found. There's another one. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not, but I'm just showing you. Well, that's okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and arrange them and see how it turns out. So I'm happy with my layout, and I'm going to go ahead and glue them with a glue stick. Now I'm going to add my washi tape. that it's ready, I'm gonna go ahead and paste my stickers. So I've changed some of the layout. I think this one looks better. I'm gonna go ahead and fill my planner. So I'm done, and I think it turned out okay. So if you made it here, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.